In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts to Chart of Accounts by importing Spreadsheet QuickBooks Online. If you're setting up a new company or reorganizing your accounting structure, importing a spreadsheet can save a ton of time by adding many accounts at once. Before we begin, make sure your spreadsheet is ready with clear column headers like account name, account type, detail type, number, and description. If you're using sub-accounts, include a column for the parent account. Save your file as CSV or Excel so QuickBooks can read it cleanly. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This is where you normally add accounts one at a time, but we'll speed things up with an import. Next, find and select Import Data. This takes you to QuickBooks Import Tools, where you'll see options for different data types. Choose Chart of Accounts so we can bring in your accounts from the spreadsheet you prepared. Now, attach your spreadsheet. You can drag and drop the file or click to browse your computer. Double-check that your file has only one header row and that your account names are unique to avoid conflicts. When the file is attached, select Next to continue. You'll now map the fields in your spreadsheet with the fields in QuickBooks. This step is crucial. Match each QuickBooks field to the correct column from your file. For example, map account name to the column that contains your account names. Make sure account type and detail type match correctly. These two determine how your accounts behave in reports and transactions. If you included account numbers, map those too, so your numbering structure carries over. For sub-accounts, match the parent account column so QuickBooks nests them properly. If a field isn't in your spreadsheet, just leave it unmapped. After mapping, QuickBooks shows a preview. This is your chance to make final changes before anything is saved. Scan the list for typos, incorrect types, or missing detail types. If you spot a red warning, fix the mapping or the value it's pointing to. When everything looks right, press Import. QuickBooks will create the accounts from your file and confirm when it's done. And that's all. You've added multiple accounts to your Chart of Accounts in just a few clicks. If you want extra peace of mind, open the Chart of Accounts to spot check a few entries and confirm sub-accounts landed under the correct parents. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.